Hey, it's Chris from Financial Life. Today I'm going to be telling you about why I love the coronavirus. Now, it's obviously a bad thing. It's had many devastating impacts. Some people have lost their jobs. People have died from being infected. And suddenly, we're being separated from our loved ones. This current totalitarian government saying we can't do this, can't do that. I'm only joking. It's necessary, but I don't want to get into the politics. So another bad thing is the market. It has crashed. A lot of people, a lot of people can't profit and so on. So yes, it's a bad thing, but it can also be a good thing. And here's why. Firstly, it's cheap. Now, these prices have fallen drastically, but you got to consider the long-term gains. So if something, say, I don't know, I'm just going to mention company ABC, all right? So I don't want to get sued, so that I'm just going to use a hypothetical example. So company ABC, before the virus, so say back in January, was trading at $30, and it's now, say, $15.70. Now, that's cheaper. It's a lot cheaper, yes. The dividends have probably been cut too, but what you can do now is purchase these shares, and then in the long term, once the market starts to recover, the value of your shares will start to rise, and you're able to profit from them, and dividends will start to occur. Now, like I said, some companies have cut their dividends, but when they reintroduce the dividends, which I'll go through, which you can see in some of my links below, I'll provide the description of how you can make money from dividends. You can also look at my previous video. So when you make these, you'll be able to have more units in the future, so more shares. So you buy now cheap, you'll be able to purchase a lot more, and then when the dividends start to come back in the long term, you'll be making a lot more. And yep, that's me. That's why I love the coronavirus. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Check out the links in the descriptions for more details. Follow my socials. And yeah, thank you very much.